We have so many great cars here at the workshop at Schmiedmann Odense. The E90 320 SI and the 850 CSI right behind me, but today is going to be about this beauty on the lift behind me, the blue E46 330i, getting a complete Eisenmann exhaust system. Stay tuned. Do you have a BMW E46 330 or any other engine size and want the Eisenmann sound from it? Go to Schmiedmann.com now and find your Eisenmann rear silencers or complete systems right now at great prices.